Colonial America was a continent comprised of many cultures and customs spanning vast geographic distances. Paine's persuasive essay unified these seemingly conflicting characteristics into the most remarkable nation ever founded in history, us.
Well, kids need to read this. They need to read it because it's our American founding documents, for one, but number two, it's important and it's great reading. And there are so many founding documents, 5 of them which are in this book, which for the most part have never been read. And so by adapting them in today's language, they are readable, and not only by students, but by adults, which are reading it as well. It's not just important to today's youth. I think it's important for all of us in this country to understand about these documents and who we are. As we the people, democracy is a very, very fragile thing, and it needs to be nurtured in our youngest generations. But it also speaks to us directly on who we are, that we are a nation of ideas, and that we need caretakers of those same values as we move forward. Well, I think the effect was dramatic. It was dramatic in a way that with all the strife that was going on in the colonies at the time and the fear, here was a pamphlet, a persuasive pamphlet, that also told us how we could go about launching a revolution, and it also explained what we should do when it was all over. The book itself is being used in classrooms across the country, but the most significant thing, I think, is that it's being used by homeschoolers across the country, but it's also in the general book-buying public as well, on history shelves. And lots of adults are reading it as well. And I think for the first time are reading our founding documents and finding out that they're not old and stale, that they're very, very exciting, and they really speak to us as we the people, even today.